Hello everyone. Today we will have lots of cool cars that you have to watch. But before that, I remind you again, for those of you who haven't subscribed, don't forget to press the like, share, subscribe button, and activate the notification bell. Who do you think will come out on top? Buckle up, and let's find out. Ambulance, a special van that helps sick or injured people get to the hospital. Bulldozer, a strong machine that pushes dirt and rocks with a big blade. Modern bus, a large bus that carries many people around the city. Car carrier truck, a long truck that carries many cars at once. Cargo truck, a big truck that moves goods and packages from place to place. Container truck, a truck that carries big metal boxes called containers. Crane truck, a truck with a tall crane that lifts heavy things. Double-decker bus, a tall bus with 2 floors for extra passengers. Dump truck, a truck that carries sand or stones and dumps them out. Excavator, a machine with a big arm and bucket to dig the ground. Fire truck, a red truck that helps firefighters put out fires. Forklift, a small vehicle that lifts and moves heavy boxes. Formula 1 car, a super-fast racing car used in big races. Garbage truck, a truck that collects trash from the streets. Helicopter, a flying vehicle with spinning blades on top. High-speed train, a very fast train that zooms like lightning. Jet aircraft, a powerful airplane that flies very fast in the sky. Cement mixer truck, a truck with a big drum that mixes cement. Monster truck, a huge truck with giant wheels that crushes cars. Pickup car, car with an open back to carry things. Police car, car that helps police keep people safe. Rally race car, a strong racing car made for rough roads. Road roller, a machine with a heavy drum to flatten the road. Military rocket launcher truck, a truck that carries and launches rockets. Sand truck, a dump truck that carries sand to construction sites. School bus, a yellow bus that takes kids to school. Speedboat, a fast boat that zooms across the water. Sports car, a shiny car that is fast and stylish. Military tank, a heavy vehicle with armor and a big cannon. Oil tanker truck, a truck that carries oil or fuel in a big tank. Teo the little bus, a cute blue bus that loves to play with friends. Thomas the tank engine, a friendly blue train with a smiling face. Tow truck, a truck that helps pull broken cars. Tractor, a farm machine that helps pull plows and trailers. Trailer truck, a very long truck that carries heavy loads. Train, a long vehicle that runs on tracks and carries people or goods. Airplane, a flying machine that takes people across the world. So, there you have it. The ultimate showdown between some of the most incredible vehicles out there. Each of these vehicles plays a vital role in our world, and each one has its unique purpose and charm. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for joining us on this vehicle adventure, and we will see you in the next video.